Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're in the Campo, about 20 minutes from the town of Alhama de Granada, to show you this lovely countryside property. This property sits on around 6 hectares of land planted with olive trees. There are 300 olive trees, so there could be a reasonable income from here. Unfortunately, you can see the house is a little bit yellow, but that's because of the Saharan sand that we had fall not so long ago, and you can either clean it off or repaint. There will be a little bit of finishing to do inside this house, but it's perfectly livable as it is. Now, we have water from a well, and there is also a drainage system and electricity. Mains is already connected. We're very close here to the lake, the Pantano de Farmhouses, where you can go swimming, you can go fishing, you can hire boats. Nothing electric, of course, nothing with a motor, but it's in a very, very lovely part of the countryside here. So I'm just going to show you a little bit around the outside before we go in. You see, TV is easy, internet very easy to get here as well. There'll be lots of options for internet, so you have plenty of parking. There is a garage, but to access the garage with a car you would need to make your own little track. So we're just going to show you all the way around so you can see. The plot is in 3 parts. One of the parts is on the other side of the little camino, of the little road, and there is a protected threshing circle there, an area, so I will show you that. This is the well just down here. And then just here is the garage. So we've now gone all the way outside, all the way around, and I'm going to take you inside to have a look at possibly your new home here in Andalusia. So this house has a brilliant location. It's really easy to get to Granada City, to Malaga Airport, and also for shopping to the town of Alhama. So as you see, we walk straight into this very large sitting room, maybe dining room too. Lovely space. There is a wood burning stove here. There's good double glazing fitted with window blinds and security bars. So a ground floor bedroom, which is always very useful. The floor is a polished concrete, so it would be prepared for tiling if that's what you wanted to do. And then through here we've got a lovely kitchen. This is a great size. Actually plenty of room here to make several changes if you wanted to add more units, and also to put in a dining table. Under stair cupboard, always useful. And then the shower room, the bathroom. This is currently the only bathroom in the property, but there would be plenty of room to put another bathroom upstairs. And here we have the smallest of the rooms, which as you can see is just a single. So we're going to go upstairs now, and this has all been tiled and been finished. Nice high ceilings. There are no doors fitted yet upstairs. That would be something you would have to do. So the first room on the right, a nice big double room, and then the hallway, a huge room here. So you can see there's plenty of room to put in another bathroom up here. And then the final bedroom. So if you're sporty, there's lots of things to do. The lake has lots of opportunities for sport. The walking here is fantastic. The roads are really easy. Access to the house is fairly easy. And there's lots of parking here. So if you wanted to have a countryside property in the province of Granada, in Andalusia, without being too remote, this is an ideal place for you. It's very charming, it has plenty of land, it has lovely views, and you could make a very nice income here, I think, from the olives, and possibly if you wanted to rent out 1 or 2 of the rooms. So that's the video for today. We hope you've enjoyed it, and we very much look forward to showing you around this property and hopefully giving you a new start here in Andalusia. And I'm going to end the video with a view of the lake. So you can see just there how close we are to the actual Pantano de Farmhouses. So thank you for watching. As usual, please leave your comments in the section below and request any viewings in the section below. And also do follow us on our YouTube channel and check out our website, granadahouses.es. Thank you for watching.